Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading. So guys, let's get started the trading session. We got $3,000 on the balance. We are gonna open $500 position on a 1 minute time frame. All the currency pairs with the highest payout rate have been picked. So let's pick several indicators. The first one is the ADX and the second one is the Kelton channel. Our today's strategy is based on the ADX and the Kelton channel. But we look at the ADX first and only then we pay attention to the candle and open our position. The main point of the strategy is that we don't have to change and adjust anything, we just keep the basic settings. The only things is that I want to change the color of the moving average on the ADX just to make it more convenient to navigate. So we are not gonna slow down here. Let's begin the trading session and find the most profitable payout rate. And we got right here. I'll point out the workspace. So have a look. We have the support zones here. It did play out. The price started going up, then a teeny correction, and again the strong upward dynamics. Then we held this teeny correction and we consider it a signal to open our position and we open a long. So we got a median dynamics on the chart according to the ADX, and here we see that the green moving average has gone down, and this way we are expecting its breakout to the upside and the position has to be closed in profit in the end. If something goes wrong, we are gonna open extra position. And let's open 3 extra long position here. The first one ended up at loose. That's why we are waiting for the rest. Well, the candle is going lower, that's why we should open 2 more positions. And we are gonna wait for the strong breakout. Please leave the comments, guys. I'll be happy. Here is also on the strategy, what indicators do you generally use, which ones bring you the highest profit. You can tell me in the comments. I'd happy to use them in my trading. So I'm gonna make the video about these indicators, I don't mind. As you can see, the price is starting to move upwards. Martingale method played out perfectly. Look at this beautiful pump, guys. And our extra position has been closed in profits. But we also have 2 more long positions and they are also in profits. So this is the strategy, guys. Pretty simple one. There are several seconds and close, guys. Our position has been closed in profits. There we go. The strategy is based on the ADX and the candle, which is complemented by the martingale method. I mean, opening the extra position, there is nothing complicated, so this is a win strategy. And there is no stopping here. Let's carry on the trading session and find next pair. And here, by the way, we can open a long again. Seems like a good position entry. Let's open a long, and this entry is much more promising than we see in the previous one. We see the touch of this support zone, and basically we see the downward dynamics that took place early. Then we see this flat. And here look at the price dynamics. So we release, then the previous touch has happened here and now the touch is happening again. And if you look at the ADX, there is no premises for a reversal or something impulsive like this, and why we opened our position properly. We caught a nice position entry level. The candle is red so far, but it doesn't matter. We got a nice trade entry level and it should be closed in profits. But if things go wrong, we are ready to open extra position. However, we don't need this. Our position have been closed in profit, guys. There was nothing complicated and there is no stopping here. Let's continue our trading. Let's continue analyzing, and I see a nice trading opportunity here. Let's open a short. This is a good one. So if you look at the ADX, we see that the moving average has gone up. The same goes for the green line. So we are expecting a correction here and here. The touch of the resistance zone has happened. This zone is quite strong, and also we see the updating of the local high, and after this we are expecting the downward movement because the price has broken through the channel, and I think we did right. When open short position, we caught a nice trade entry level, and look, the price is going down, and I'm pretty sure that this one will be closed in profits. Well, we got $2,600 for profit. Not bad, guys. This one has been closed in profit. And let's find the next currency pair. Well, let's continue analyzing. Here the price should go up, so let's take our time. But here we see a nice correction, and let's open a long position, guys. I'll point the workspace. So the main principle of work while trading the strategy is when we search for the pullbacks and correction. For example, we observe a good correction here, and based on the teeny knowledge of the technical analysis, and we see the upward dynamics dominates here. If you look at the price zone, also a good correction takes place, and actually we have to spot them and open a position ahead of the market. So if you look at the ADX, there is low dynamics here, the crossing of the moving average, the red moving average has gone up a little bit, and we are about to see another crossing here. That's why we should open a long position, and there we go. We got a nice breakout here, and our position has been closed with a profit. Meanwhile, we got $6,000 on the position, on the balance. And let's continue the trading session, find the next currency pair. So we are looking for the highest payout rate. Well, here is more downward dynamics takes place, and we open our position in the direction on the trend. We open a short position. This is our sell signal. There was a flat here. It's obvious. Then the price started gradually going down, that the local highs were updated. We see that the ADX is reversing and going up, and it tells us that the downward dynamics should continue gaining moments. So the price broke the support zone down, and everything indicates that the price is gonna go down, and despite this strong candle, we opened the short position anyway, and as you can see, the strong dump followed up, and our position is in the profits. Nice. We got $6,500 on the balance, and I guess we should open a few more positions in order to consolidate our gains, and let's find another currency pair for that. I also recommend you to have a good amount on the balance when you trade this strategy, I think $500 will be fine. It would be comfortable to use the martingale method. So here, okay, we are not gonna open here. What do we got here? And let's open long position. I'll point out the workspace. So we release the detach of this massive support zone has happened. The updating of the price maximum did happen, and then a teeny correction. Small rebound from the middle line of the channel, and basically this correction should be over by now, and the price should continue going up and probably go sideways. If you look at the ADX, we see that the moving average is not at the top yet, and reversal is very unlikely to happen. We see that the price has gone down. It's fine, guys. We open extra position and let's wait for the breakout. Let's see. There are several seconds left before the close of the first one, but it's gonna lose, I think. That's why we opened more long position. So, and here we see a beautiful entry level, a very promising upward dynamics. The same goes for the candle moments. There is no wicks, and this is definitely a good signals for us. Well, if this 3 long position end up with loose, we are gonna open $4,000 position, and let's change the trade amount right away in order to save our time. Well, and let's watch. Our position had been closed in profits. We got $7,300 on the balance. Good job, guys, and let's find the next currency pair in order to consolidate our profit. And let's open our final position. We are interested in the highest payout rate. And have a look, we see a good downward dynamics, and let's open a long position. So let's point out the workspace. It's obvious that the upward dynamics starts from this point. The updating of the local high took place, and now the upward dynamics dominates. That's why we prioritize catching correction and opening long position. And that's exactly what we did. The price broke out from the channel, and we are playing ahead of the market. So, if you look at the ADX, we see low dynamics here. The green line is at a good level, and this is a good signal for opening a long. The price has gone down, that's why we open a few more long position. We are ready to open $4,000 long position if the candle goes lower. So let's wait a little bit for 30 seconds on the timer. And we open So we open $4,000 long position, quite intense moment, but I'm expecting to see the breakout anyway. Let's have a look. Positive dynamics starts gaining moments. The breakout seems to be happening, but still the upper position we will probably end up at loose. Not exactly, guys. Our position have been closed in profits. We got lucky here. However, it's not a luck actually. We've predicted the upward dynamics from the very beginning. We got 4 long position left here. There are several seconds left before the close. Touch moment, guys. The price is near the position entry. There are several seconds left, and yep, our position had been closed in profits. We got almost $12,000 on the balance. I have some result. Let's move on to the withdrawal. I trade the withdrawal. Let it be 11,000 I think, and 500. Press the continue button. Our transaction has been processed. I'll touch the screen as usual. This is what we managed to reach today with the help of these indicators and the martingale method. So try it out yourself. This is a win strategy. So thanks for watching. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.